Hello and welcome to this new video on how to delete profile picture on Facebook. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Facebook interface, and when you have access to the Facebook interface, you just have to look on the left hand side of the screen. On the top there will be search bar, and just below the search bar there will be your profile name. So you just have to click on your profile name and profile picture, and your profile will be open right in front of you. Now you just have to click on the profile picture of yours, and when you have clicked on the profile pictures of yours, there will be a pop-up notification box. So you just have to click on see your profile picture option, and when you're inside the see your profile picture option, you just have to now look on the right hand side of the screen, and just below your profile or account section there will be an 3-dot icon. You just have to click on that 3-dot icon, and a pop-up box will appear, and inside the pop-up box there will be delete photo option. So you just have to click on that delete photo, and another confirmation notification box will be appeared right in front of your screen. Now you just have to click on the delete button once more, and you will be able to delete your profile picture. So this is how to easily delete profile picture on Facebook. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.